Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lolex Signature and it's day 10 of Vlogmas. Wow, it's been 10 whole days. We've been showing you different things, and yes, today I'm going to be making yam porridge for dinner. There's a bit of a disaster, but whatever happens, we're gonna make it work. This palm oil has been sleeping and I've tried to wake it up. It don't move. This palm oil, it don't move. So we're gonna make our yam porridge with oil. Okay, let's get started with this cooking. I'm gonna show you what we're up to. I'm gonna be making yam porridge, and I've got my yam. I diced it into cubes, and I've got British sweet potato just to give you a bit of sweetness. Okay guys, let's get started with this cooking. Okay guys, so we are starting our yam porridge. So because our palm oil is still sleeping, I've decided to cook my yam porridge with vegetable oil. So into my pan, I'm going to put in some vegetable oil. Don't worry, trust the process. It's going to have that beautiful vibrant color, and it's going to be very, complete the sentence. Very, if you know how to complete the sentence, go to the comment section and put in my catchphrase. It's going to be very. Thank you very much. For those of you that know, you are good students. You've actually really learned this year. So I have put in some oil, and I'm going to be putting in some onion, but let's try it out and see if it is hot enough. It's not ready yet. And on the other side, I'm making the sauce for the yam. And on this side, I have few ingredients lined up. So I've got the onions, I've got stock powder, I've got crayfish, and I've got spring onions that I'm going to use at the end. And of course, the star of the show, that is yam and British sweet potato. Yes, it's not carrot. It looks like carrot, but it is not carrot. It is sweet potato. I will show you what the actual yam looks like. The sweet potato. This is what it looks like. There's a yellow one, and it gets soft so quickly. So that's what we are working with. So now that my palm oil, my vegetable oil is giving me the sign that she's ready to receive these onions, the onions is going in. I like it when I hear that sound. Okay, stay focused. And I'm just going to let that do its magic for like 2 minutes. Okay, let's get the flavor, let's get the aroma out. I'm gonna put in some tomato puree. I'll just put half of the tube in here. And give it a real good stir. I'm telling you, this porridge is going to be so good, very delicious. I just need to make sure that the tomato puree is doing what it should do. Just need to keep stirring so that I'm able to combine it nicely. And the thing is, very delicious food does not need to take so long. This whole process is going to take maybe, I don't know, 35 minutes to 40 minutes, and you will see how delicious and yummy it's gonna be looking. Okay, that's fried for like 2 minutes. Can you see the color is actually, it's giving palm oil already. And then in goes my blended pepper. So that's a combination of tomatoes, red bell pepper, and scotch bonnets with onions. And then I'm just going to give it a good stir, and I'll let it fry for about 7 minutes, and we shall be back. So it's been about 7 minutes that this has been cooking. And then this is the point that I'm going to now, let's reduce this, so reduce this butter. So I'm going to be putting in my yam and sweet potato at this point. And the sweet potato gives this sweetness to the porridge. Okay. And I'll be putting in some of my stock powder. Let's put a bit more. Oops. And then some crayfish powder. I will be very generous with the crayfish powder. Okay. And then we're just going to combine this. Look, the porridge is not ready yet. And look at what it's given. And I'll just add a little bit of water to help the yam cook. That's boiling water from my kettle. Okay. Then let's mix it up a bit. And at this point, I would say do not add any salt to it, because you know the crayfish has got flavor in it as well. So yeah, so let's just cover it. Can you see that even though we didn't use palm oil, can you see that the porridge is porridging? And then we cover it up and let it do its magic for 20 minutes. We'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, my lovelies, so in my freezer I found some of this goat meat and oxtail. So I'm just going to cut it into tiny pieces and dump it inside the sauce for the porridge. Yum-malicious. Can you imagine the flavor? So the whole point of it is just having little pieces of meat inside the sauce. And I'm making some chicken as well. We love chicken in this house. I'm making some chicken wings. So I'm just getting the meat off the bone and I'll cut it into small pieces. Okay, let me pull that off. Okay, so that is the meat all cut. So I'm just going to roll my board a bit and dump it in the sauce. Let's give it a close up. Now give it a good stir and just let it fry. And I would even add a little bit of crayfish powder, because why not? Okay. I'll give it a good stir. And let's have a look at our yam porridge. Let's see how it's doing. Zoom back. Okay, the yam needs to still cook a little bit more. The sweet potato as well is getting softer. Look at the color of the porridge already. Jeez. It should be ready in about 10 minutes and we shall be back. Okay guys, let's check on our porridge. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful that looks. And it looks like the yam is soft. Let's check. The sweet potato will definitely be soft. Let's find one. That's one. And that is soft as well. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just mash the yam a bit. Not completely. So we have some solid bits and then some actual of both world mashed and also having the actual yam itself, and I'm just going to give it a good mix. Yes. See, I've just proven to you that you actually do not need palm oil to actually make your yam porridge. And I'm just going to let that simmer for 5 minutes and the yam porridge is ready. I'm going to put in the spring onion and I'll reduce the heat for 5 minutes again, and I'll give it a good stir at the end. I'm just going to let that steam and we shall be back and I will show you the sauce. The sauce is ready. Look at that beauty in the pots with the little bits of meat. Like, you don't have to do too much to have yumminess. And yeah, I shall see you in 5 minutes when our porridge is fully ready. Okay. Okay, my spring onion has steamed for about 5 minutes and I'm just going to stir everything up. Wow, this is looking so good and so rich as well. Okay, let's get Daddy Signature to taste this for us. Taste it and rate it.
12 over 10.
12 over 10. Woohoo! Guys, you heard that. You heard that. I don't hype my cooking. I do not hype my cooking. Daddy Signature said 12 out of 10. Look at that beauty in the pot. Wow, Zali. Ski. So now I'm going to dish the food and dinner is ready. The sauce is also ready. Have a look. Okie doke. So guys, I finished cooking dinner. If you've absolutely enjoyed watching this video, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, please engage, drop me a comment and I'll be there reading the comments and replying to all the comments. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you tomorrow, day 11. I love you so much. Mwah.